everyone. Welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am going to be putting together a special week of me prepping for Friendsgiving. I'm so excited. So I have a few things to show you. I've always wanted to host Friendsgiving, but I wasn't quite sure if I wanted to go traditional or more not traditional. And I wanted to do the latter because I personally love everything about Thanksgiving. I love all the food. I love the prep. I love hanging with family. It's awesome. But sometimes it gets to be a little, like all those leftovers, it can be a little bit too much. So that's why we decided to do it a couple weeks before Thanksgiving. And I am going to be doing something a little bit different. So I don't know if you can see behind me, but I went to Target and got a few, because I'll tell you why. A few of these little turkeys here. They're like 79 cents a pound. And right now, that is like a third of the price of my local stores nearby. So if you haven't gotten your turkey yet, you may want to look at Target. They even had the butter balls for 99 cents a pound, which I thought was a great price. So what I like to do every year is roast a few turkeys, shred them, put them in Ziploc baggies, and put them in the freezer because we just like to make meals out of them. In fact, I have a couple of videos that I did some turkey noodle soup from last year. But this year, I'm going to be making something called the Bobby. So we have a local store that's nearby, a local sandwich shop where they put Thanksgiving in a bread roll. So it's going to have turkey, it's going to have stuffing, and it even has a little mayo. I know that sounds funny, but it's so good. So I'm going to be making a whole bunch of sandwiches, and I also am making funeral potatoes. It is a potluck after that, but I'll show you throughout the week so you'll see different outfits of me getting things ready. And I'm so excited because we're going to play games. It's going to be fun. And I can't wait to spend time with our friends because they are a lot like our family. So it's perfect to have a moment or an evening just with them. So get ready. I'm going to have some cleaning. I'm going to have some prepping. I'm going to have some decorating. You're going to get to see it all. I thought I'd show you just a little bit of what I got from Target. So there's the cranberries, some pans. This is going to be for tying up some of those silverwares. I got a lot of cream of chicken. Now, if I have leftovers, because I don't think I'm going to be needing all of it, it's just going to go in my pantry for stocking up and planning for other meals. And right now, you know that these are only like $1, $1.25. So that's good. So there and there. Yes. And then I just got some toiletries in there. You can see some shaving cream. Just wrapping some utensils. Look at that little gold flicker.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of silverware.
Okay, so today I am doing more deep cleaning. So I'm cleaning cabinets, and I am making my place settings, and I'm cornering down where I'm getting tables and chairs. Which I got the tables, I just got the chairs, most of them. So let me get started on those cabinets. I already did the ones on the bottom last night. Up tonight or today. So it's Thursday, which means I have a lot of cleaning still to do because I want to make sure that my common areas, which is all downstairs, that all of our friends are going to be at, is nice and clean. So today, especially being that it's Thursday, I moved all my potatoes to the refrigerator because I'm going to be putting them together to make those cheesy potatoes. And do you see that tool back there, that little kitchen gadget? My father-in-law gave that to us. I think he gave it to us. Anyways, it's a turkey roaster. So we do traditional turkey. He actually has us over at his house for Thanksgiving, and I just take the mashed potatoes. But because he let us have this, I just go ahead and buy a few You see that? I actually accidentally broke it, but I'm just taking the meat apart and putting it in that Tupperware container, and then I'll put that in the fridge because remember, I'm making those yummy sandwiches, so turkey sandwiches. So I got these on a good sale, and I have another one in there right now, and I think I might even have enough time to do 3. So whatever's left, I'm just going to put in freezer bags, and voila, dinner is done. Just have to add it. Maybe I'll make a casserole, maybe I'll make soups, but it is the best idea. And I started doing them last year, especially when I could get the good sales. And yes, it's still a couple of weeks early for Thanksgiving, or maybe like a week and a half now. So you're going to see better sales as the days get closer to Thanksgiving. So be looking for those, and who knows, you might be able to stock up on some turkeys, throw them in your freezer, and then just bake them whenever you want to bake them. So that's kind of what I'm doing here. And it takes only about 4 hours, 3.5 hours. They're about 17 pounds each. So easy. I can clean. Those are cooking. They're going to be delicious. I've already sampled some. They're great. So I'll be putting them in sandwich rolls. So here's my classroom, but now it's all emptied out for tables, huh, Ezzy?
Yep.
So we just have to mop the floor a little bit, and can you see it? About 30 people in this area, or 20 and then 10 in the kitchen. Whoa. So we gotta figure it out, but it'll look just fine. Right, Ezra? Today is Friendsgiving, and I have been very, very busy today. As you can see, I'm putting together the Thanksgiving meal in a bun, which we call around here the bobby. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to bring you up close, and I'm going to bring you to see this wonderful creation. Hostess, I have to try it, right? So let's see that that's got this one actually doesn't have the mayo. I love to have mayo, so I'll be eating one later with it, but it's got the cranberry, the turkey that I've made over this week, and the stuffing. Delish. Okay, we are mostly ready, so I will show you just how we've set up. So these are obviously going to be for the youngins. And look at these these are tic-tac-toe games. And then these are like little cards that ask little fun questions. So maybe they'll use them. We also have them over here on the bigger table for the adults, and then maybe like Ezra might sit with me over here. I do have name cards, but I don't know if I'm going to put them out yet. I'm kind of undecided. So the drinks, and then the bigger kids table. That was kind of my vision, but we'll see what happens because I'm not sure if I'm going to place the settings. don't know if you can see those, but look at all that yummy goodness. Those are the cheesy potatoes. Look at, you could hear them sizzling. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, our friends are going to be coming pretty soon. I just finished doing a live, or helping Danny and Tina. And I was just thinking that I would probably do a live myself next week. So next Saturday, 2 o'clock. Let's kind of start planning that. But I'm so excited. Happy Friendsgiving!
It's so cute in here.
We've got yummy deviled eggs, and these are the sandwiches I made, and the potatoes. But we have candied carrots, mac and cheese, green bean casserole. We have somebody else coming. And the Jell-O stuff. The raspberry Jell-O pretzel salad. And then here's the dessert so far. I know we have a little bit more coming, but yeah, I want that. So how is it, you guys? I see lots of desserts. Hey, Ines. How's that sandwich? Good. Okay, the potatoes. How do you like that, Emberlyn? So good, right? Gotta go get some. How was the meal? How was the?
So yummy.
I'm so full.
I know, I'm stuffed.
Yes. Thanks for bringing all the stuff, you guys. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Well, the night was a success. We had so much fun. There was so much good food. And really, we just have the best friends because they're just a lot of fun. They are lighthearted. We laugh a lot. And we played the Not So Newlywed game, which was super fun to do and get to know even a little bit more about fun relationships and some of the fun, quirky stuff we were kind of laughing about. It was fun. Okay, so I made funeral potatoes. So I'll link the video below for that recipe if you're interested. They're very, very yummy. I also made those Bobby sandwiches, which, as you saw, all I did was roast some turkeys and then just kind of made the box stuffing and put those sandwiches together. They were delicious. So easy peasy, and it's kind of a non-traditional, traditional take, so to say. So if you're looking for something a little bit different, you know, having a Thanksgiving meal in a bun is the way to go, definitely. So stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next.